Now it's time for the most awaited award ceremony, which will recognize this year's eminent CIOs of India, ECIO. Digital transformation is integration of digital technology into all areas of businesses. While enjoying the digital ride, businesses have realized the impact that digital media holds on their operations. It has already transformed industries such as media, transportation and retail and is now sweeping through financial institutions. Let's welcome the real heroes of the industry and the corporate world who have been the key drivers of their organizations during this difficult time by working extended hours and at times taking their risk of their own lives. Let us salute the heroes of the industry. Jaideep Khanduja, Chief Technology Officer, Akio Mango Private Limited. Lakshmana Vadaga, Head IT, AdLabs Entertainment Limited. Kiran Belsekar, CISO, Aegon Life Insurance Company Limited. Ram Kumar Mohan, CIO, Airworks India Engineering Private Limited. Dr. Sushil Kumar Meher, CIO, Department of Computer Facility, All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Naresh K. Pathak, CIO, India and Southeast Asia, Andritz. Ajay Yadav, Regional Head IT North, Arshia Rail Infrastructure Limited. Sandeep Jamdakni, Head IT, Ashiana Housing Limited. Yogendra Singh, Head IT, SAP, Barista Coffee Company Limited. Dr. Mukesh Mehta, Chief Technology Officer, Batliwala and Karani Securities Limited. Prashant Pokli, Chief Technology Officer, Being Human Clothing. Tanmoy Mukhopadhyay, Chief Executive Officer, Besto Infotech Company. Anurag Saxena, Head Information Technology, Biba Apparels Private Limited. Amit Dhawan, CISO and DOP, Birlasoft. KC Tavadia, CIO, BSE Limited. Manish Sinha, Global Application Manager, SAP, Bush Vacuum Pumps and System. Ian Hopper, Partner and Head of Banking and Payments, Capco. Deepak Singhal, Enterprise Architect Director for DEMS Business, Capgemini. Vishal Madan, Executive VP and CTO, Capital Small Finance Bank Limited. Punish Lama, SVP and Group CIO, CK Birla Group. N. Bala Subramanian, GM and Head IT Applications and Support, Cloud9 Group of Hospitals. Kunal Nagarkatti, COO, Clover Infotech. Ramesh Lakshmi Narayanan, CIO, CRISIL. Anil Nama, CIO, Control S Data Centers Limited. Advocate Prashant Mali, President and Founder, Cyber Law Consulting. Dr. Harold DeCosta, President, Cyber Security Corporation. Dr. Makaran Sawant, Senior General Manager IT, Deepak Fertilizers and Petrochemicals Corporation Limited. Subbarao Hegde, CTO and CMO, Deshpande Foundation Global India. Arvind Gupta, Head and Co-Founder, Digital India Foundation. Munendra Soparna, CIO, Dr. Lal PathLabs. Arindam Singh Roy, Head Information Technology, EIUL. Chirag Gunlia, Group CTO, Embassy Group. Abneesh Vats, Deputy General Manager IT, Energy Efficiency Services Limited. Dr. Rajiv Papneja, Chief Growth Officer, ESDS Software Solution Private Limited. Saurabh Das, CIO, SL Mining and Industries Limited. Aparna Gupta, Managing Director, Evolve Digitas. Sandeep Pradhan, Chief IT, Exide Industries Limited. Upkar Singh, Director IT, Fidelity Information Services India Private Limited. Arindam Paul, DGM IT, Gainwell Common Sales Private Limited. Arvind Kumar, General Manager IT, Genesis Information System India Private Limited. Ashish Bansal, Director Global ERP Operations, App Testing and RPA Service, GlaxoSmithKline Pharmaceuticals Limited. Suresh Kumar, Partner and CIO, Grant Thornton Advisory Private Limited. Dr. Vineet Bansal, AVP IT CIO, Green Panel Industries Limited. Manikkam Subramanian, Senior Vice President, Heritage Group. Vijay Sethi, CIO, Chief Human Resource Officer and Head Corporate Social Responsibility, Hero Motorcorp Limited. Ajay Srivastav, Head IT, HFCL Limited. Dr. Harsha Thenarasu, Chief IT and Cyber Security Advisor, HKIT Security Solutions. Vivek Ahuja, Director IT, MEA and India, ITE MIA. Atul Govil, Chief Transformation Officer, India Glycols Limited. Sanjeev Sinha, President IT and Digitization, India Power Corporation Limited. Congratulations to all the winners of this year's Eminent CIOs of India. Another 50 ECIOs names will be announced just after few presentations.